everyone, this is 909 East Cliveden Street. This is a Mount Airy apartment. It's a 1-bedroom. So when you walk in the front door, you walk into this living room space. So this is a pretty big living room. This apartment has been renovated. So you can see it's pretty big. So once you walk in the front door, there's a closet over here. Pretty deep closet, actually. Cool. Then here's your living room, so you have plenty of space. Then over here is your kitchen. So a really nice kitchen. Has a really nice countertop. It's a real countertop as well. Nice backsplash, gas range, which is awesome. You can see all the appliances and everything are new. You would be the first one to live here. So then here's the bedroom. So the bedroom's actually pretty big as well. There also is off-street parking, as you can see. So here's the bedroom, huge size. I don't think my camera really captures it. There's 2 closets in here. Here's one, there's the other. Let me show them to you. So this is nice, like a little pantry. And this is the closet, and here's the bathroom, which I love. Has this beautiful tile, this really nice bathtub. That's just me. Okay, not just, that's me. Yeah, so really nice. This has this really cool shower head. So yeah, if you're interested, give me a call. This apartment is available now. It's April 8th right now. Number is 267-269-9086. 267-269-9086. Thanks for watching.